Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help you make delicious cookies, perfect for kindergartners. First, let's get organized. Make sure you have all your ingredients and baking tools ready on the counter. It's super important to ask a grown-up for help with measuring, especially for things like flour and sugar, to make sure our cookies turn out just right. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit so it's ready when we are. Now for the fun part, mixing. In one bowl, gently combine all your dry ingredients like flour and baking powder. In a separate bowl, mix your wet ingredients such as butter, sugar, and eggs. Then, slowly add the dry mixture into the wet mixture, stirring carefully until everything is just combined. Remember, we don't want to overmix our dough or our cookies might become tough. Keep it light and fluffy. Time to get creative with our cookie dough. Lightly flour your surface and rolling pin, then roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Now, grab your favorite cookie cutters and press them into the dough to make all sorts of fun shapes. You can make stars, hearts, or even animals. Before they go into the oven, add some colorful sprinkles or a little frosting to make them extra special. This is where your imagination shines. Carefully place your shaped cookies on a baking sheet and ask an adult to put them into the preheated oven. They will bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are a lovely golden brown. Once they're out, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This makes them firm and perfect for eating. Now, the best part, enjoy your delicious homemade cookies and share them with your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.